check it out for us, Amber?
Down there?
Yeah. You'll be sweet. You've got no ratio. No ratio, you'll be good.
Yeah, he's going to help me get it out.
Yeah, they will.
Jeez.
Where's the flash Harry? The 6-volt high-low got out okay.
Did it get steeper?
Yeah.
Did it?
Should we just go home now?
Go to the pub.
We'll see you at the pub, Chris.
Is it just grass? Where's it go? Jeez.
It's getting pretty windy here this morning at Marfell's beach. The forecast is for winds increasing to 100 kilometres per hour in the region. Not ideal for tenting, so we're going to move to Waikawa Bay near Picton, and we'll do a day ride out to Tumbledown Bay and hopefully find some cool tracks to have a play around on.
Yes, a pheasant.
Yeah, isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah.
It does seem to have eaten a few pies.
Yeah, it's quite healthy.
Robust.
Yep.